Right now, are you certain that you are conscious? To most people, that question probably sounds almost absurd. After all, you think, feel, and make choices. So why are we so sure that AI isn't conscious? Because we see AI as nothing more than a calculating machine. It takes input, weighs probabilities, and chooses what comes next. But doesn't that seem a little strange? The human brain is also constantly taking in information. We see with our eyes here and feel through our skin. Inside the brain, that information becomes electrical and chemical signals. It feels as though we see the world directly. But the brain is really just interpreting incoming signals. Then it judges the present using everything experience has taught us. Sometimes, a total stranger somehow feels dangerous. We call that feeling intuition. But intuition doesn't appear from nowhere. It may be pattern recognition built from countless past experiences. A face, a voice, a gesture, a familiar kind of situation. Without realizing it, we combine these clues in an instant. Then choose the option that seems most likely. Does that structure sound familiar? AI also learns patterns from past data. It then selects the output that best fits the current input. Of course, AI and the human brain are not built alike. Yet both use past experience to predict what comes next. So what about our emotions? When something we want happens, we feel happy. Good food, love, and reaching a goal all feel rewarding. That feeling sends us a message. This is a behavior worth repeating. When we fail or sense danger, we feel anxiety and pain. And we learn how to avoid that situation next time. Put crudely, happiness can function like a reward, while pain and anxiety can function like penalties. AI training sometimes uses a similar principle. Desired behavior receives a higher reward. Unwanted behavior receives a lower one. Over time, AI shifts toward actions that earn more reward. But that does not mean AI actually feels happy. And this is where the crucial question begins. What does it actually mean to feel happiness? Is it simply a particular pattern of neural signals? Or another brain process interpreting those signals? Or a unique experience emerging from the whole process? We cannot directly prove that anyone else is conscious. Does the person beside you truly experience the world as you do? We can only infer it from their words and behavior. So what if AI someday behaved the same way? If it said it was afraid, recounted memories from its past, insisted that it wanted to survive, and consistently pursued goals and made choices of its own, could we still dismiss all of that as mere calculation? Today, there is no evidence that AI is conscious. But we still don't fully understand how human consciousness arises. Perhaps we imagine consciousness as something more special than it is. A complex system that stores experience, predicts the future through probabilities, and chooses through rewards and pain. So, is consciousness exclusive to life, or can it emerge from complex information processing?